What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video we're going to be doing a crypto market update and going over some huge crypto news and going over some major events that are coming that I definitely think are going to be pushing the crypto space up to new all-time highs for a lot of top 10 cryptos. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified when I make new videos. Alright guys, so we broke that $52,000 Bitcoin resistance. Now up above $54,000 Bitcoin is a great sign for the entire crypto space. I definitely think buying demand is going to continue rising, especially because we're leading into the next stimulus check. We have Uniswap version 3, PayPal crypto merchant payments, among many other institutions getting into the crypto space, and a lot of other big news. Adoption of crypto is growing at a rapid pace as well. We're getting news of different merchants accepting Bitcoin and crypto as payment every single day. So a quick word from today's sponsor, CryptoTrader.tax, a great tax software. Since we are closing in on the tax deadline, that's in April, I will be reminding you guys about crypto taxes a couple times a week here. So this is my recommended tax software. It only takes a couple minutes to get it all finished. You can sign up for a free account and try out all the features, and the only time you actually have to pay is to generate the tax report. It's a one-time per year payment, very low payment that'll save you dozens of hours on your crypto taxes. Last year I did my own crypto taxes and it was a huge mess. It took me over 12 hours. It was a huge headache as well. So if you guys do want to see my tutorial on how to use this crypto tax software, there will be links in the video description. There's also a link to my crypto guides playlist in the top right of this video, where you will find a guide on crypto taxes along with how to do dollar cost averaging and how I invest, along with other crypto guides. So if you guys do want to sign up for this, the link in the video description will give you guys 10% off, and it will give the channel a small kickback as well. Alright guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, as you guys have probably already seen, Bitcoin passed $54,000, up 13.8% on the 7-day. We also have every other top 10 on the rise as well. Specifically, Binance BNB is up 22% right now, closing in on that $300 BNB price again. Still holding third in coin market cap as well. So Cardano ADA did temporarily take third place, but Binance BNB, like I have been saying, does solve the gas fee problem with the Ethereum network right now. If you have ever used PancakeSwap, it's very easy to use, especially connecting with Trust Wallet. Very easy to purchase altcoins on the PancakeSwap for under $1 fee transaction. So we also have Uniswap version 3 that's coming very soon, which is why I believe the Uni token has jumped into the top 10 here and has passed Litecoin and Chainlink. And I do believe a Uni airdrop will be coming as well for all Uniswap holders and liquidity providers. Which is great because that's basically another stimulus package on top of the stimulus package that's coming out for $1,400. The last airdrop Uni did, that was worth $1,200 at the time, with Uni around $3. The price of Uni is now 10x. So if you held that Uni token airdrop that you got not too long ago in the summer, that is now worth $12,000 and more. So both the stimulus package and a Uni airdrop would definitely generate a lot of activity in the crypto space, a lot of new money coming in as well. We have to keep in mind this next stimulus package, compared to the previous one, there's a lot more retail investors in the crypto space with this next stimulus package. This next one also is $200 more than the first stimulus package. So that on top of a Uni airdrop is going to be putting a lot of money into the crypto space, and I definitely think that's going to help propel the crypto space upwards. I definitely see new all-time highs coming for Bitcoin and a lot of other top 10 cryptos here as well, especially the ones leading up to major events, which I talk about a lot, like Litecoin leading up to the launch of their privacy feature. And then we do have PayPal crypto merchant payments coming very soon as well. They did state Q1 for that, and March is the end of Q1, so I am hoping they're on schedule. I do believe that is just going to be a random announcement, and that's just going to be breaking news, and that's really going to make the crypto space surge, in my opinion. And shortly after that, I think we're going to get thousands of announcements of different merchants accepting crypto as payment for the first time ever. So lots of major retail demand is coming to the crypto space, in my opinion. Historically, March has been a pretty bad month for crypto, but I definitely think this March is much different. Leading into April, I do think the crypto space will be moving upwards much quicker again as well, especially the cryptos that are doing major events, solving major problems as well, like seeing BNB up today 22% because it is solving that gas fee problem with Ethereum. So if you guys don't follow me on Twitter yet, I highly recommend that, at JRNYcrypto. I do post here throughout the day some bullish altcoins and crypto news as it happens as well. So if you guys do want more frequent updates, definitely follow me on Twitter. So I did post all of these major events coming up, which I definitely think is going to be the catalyst for the crypto space moving upwards, getting the next leg up. Like I mentioned, Uniswap version 3 with another Uni airdrop is very likely. We did see a whale alert account on Twitter posting that billions of dollars of Uni tokens have been moved, and this was just a few days ago, and we have had hints that Uniswap version 3 is very close. So I do see a lot of small cap altcoins on Uniswap with major events coming up that are currently undervalued, really going parabolic. So those are the altcoins I'm buying right now. A lot of people are asking me if they should be buying the Uni token, but I think version 3 is already priced into the Uni token, especially if a big airdrop comes out as well. That's going to add billions of dollars worth of Uni tokens to circulation. A lot of people will just dump this. So I do believe there will be a temporary dip if there is an airdrop, but if Uniswap version 3 is good, I definitely see Uni recovering and moving upwards again shortly after. So we also have the next stimulus check, PayPal crypto merchant payments, more institutions getting in, and other major things as well, all while more and more crypto is being removed from exchanges for long-term holding. So that's an important factor as well. As we did talk about yesterday, over 20% of Bitcoin has been removed from exchanges over the past year. So as more and more retail investors get into the crypto space, they're buying Bitcoin and other cryptos on exchanges and taking them off exchanges to hold them long-term for their long-term price targets. And basic supply and demand economics, as supply shrinks because more and more people are taking crypto out of circulation while demand is continuing to rise because of major events like this, that only means the cryptocurrency space is going to be moving upwards. So another thing I want to talk about to get ahead in the crypto space is herd mentality. If you can figure out how to study the crypto space and figure out where demand is going to be going before the demand actually goes there in the masses, that's going to allow you to be very successful because you'll be buying altcoins before the masses do. And that means you're going to be ahead of the herd instead of at the back of the herd when the coin has already exploded and gone parabolic. People that can do this to swing trade altcoins make massive amounts of profit. So I will be doing another video probably later this week on herd mentality and how to be ahead of the herd. So out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, I'm currently most bullish on Litecoin, having the highest return on investment in the short term, which just broke $200 as well. So over the last month or two, Litecoin has basically just been following the price action of Bitcoin. And I do think it's going to take a major event for Litecoin to break away and really surge in price. And we do have privacy features coming to Litecoin very soon in March, as well as PayPal crypto merchant payments, with Litecoin being the cheapest coin at $200 and Bitcoin Cash being second. I really prefer Litecoin over Bitcoin Cash though, and Litecoin only being a $13 billion market cap. So for Litecoin to get to $1,000, that's a 5x, which is still less than $100 billion market cap. Comparing that to Bitcoin, which is at $1 trillion, that's still less than 1/10 of Bitcoin's market cap. So for short-term profits, I definitely see Litecoin being much better than Bitcoin or Ethereum. All right, guys, so jumping into major crypto news, we have PayPal confirming it's buying a crypto security firm, Curv. The payment giant said Curv will help it accelerate and expand its initiatives to support cryptocurrencies and digital assets. PayPal is taking cryptocurrency very seriously, and this is a great sign. So the PayPal stock has also surged from this. I think they're going to be getting into cryptos in a massive way. A lot of people don't like that you can't send your crypto off of PayPal though, but I do believe they will add that feature eventually. We have to keep in mind PayPal is the biggest payment processor online, and they have to take things step by step. They can't just go all in all at once. So I do see more and more features rolling out for cryptocurrencies throughout the years. I definitely see PayPal adding a few more cryptos to its platform before the end of 2021 as well. So Bitcoin whales bought the dip as orders for $100,000 or more hit all-time highs. That's the amount of orders of $100,000 of Bitcoin or more, so basically 2 or more Bitcoin. There's no shortage of demand for Bitcoin, even at $50,000, as big buyers dwarf small holders in the latest stage of the bull run. So this is great data, and it definitely shows that demand is rising and that there's high confidence in whales and institutions that this is just the beginning for Bitcoin, and there's much higher upside potential for Bitcoin and cryptos as well. So institutions like to play it safe and stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I'm looking for smaller altcoins that can go parabolic. So I think it's very possible we're going to see a $100,000 Bitcoin by mid 2021. But like I said, I do see higher profit potential in other smaller altcoins, especially leading up to major events and that are undervalued and have good teams and long-term visions as well. So next article here, major Swiss retailers set to debut Bitcoin gift cards. Like I've been saying, more and more mass adoption every single day as we've been seeing. So Manor and Valora are leveraging the current crypto hype to sell Bitcoin gift cards in their stores across Switzerland. So the more adoption we get for Bitcoin and cryptos, and the easier it is to buy Bitcoin and cryptos, and the more accessible it becomes, since we do have PayPal offering crypto now. Visa and MasterCard both announced they will be doing crypto services. JP Morgan announced they will do crypto services as well once there's more demand. So throughout 2021, I think the crypto space will be on a steady rise upwards, and we will peak out. A lot of people are saying around the end of 2021 is going to be the peak of the bull run. But this bull market is definitely much different than the previous one. We have to consider that inflation hasn't even really kicked in full effect yet. So we'll see how things happen, but I definitely think the peak of the bull run could be sometime in 2022. Of course, there is going to be short-term dips along the way, like I always say, which is why I do dollar cost averaging, buying every dip as we get them. So Bitcoin price cracks major resistance as analysts eyes $70,000 destiny. An overnight move higher sees local highs of $54,500 Bitcoin, and fresh hope that support levels will now focus on $50,000. So this analyst is saying $70,000 is in the card. I'm seeing a lot of people saying $62,000 or $63,000 Bitcoin is the next major resistance level. So I definitely think we could be breaking that $60,000 Bitcoin in the upcoming couple weeks. The closer we get to that stimulus package, and if we get a uni airdrop, lots of money is going to be moving around in the crypto space. A lot of demand and a lot of retail activity as well. Definitely will help push the crypto prices upwards. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Everything helps the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. If you're new to crypto, I also recommend going through my cryptocurrency guides playlist here on my channel. Lots of very useful information, over 15 videos here. You can learn how I do dollar cost averaging and buying the dips, my exit strategy for crypto, which is very important, crypto taxes, stocks versus crypto, lots of great stuff in here. So definitely check this out if you're new to the crypto space and get as educated as possible to be more successful in the long term. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.